Hello friends. In the last video we discussed the AIPMT exam details. Today we are going to tell you about the online application process for AIPMT 2014 exam. Take a look. So before start filling your application form, you please go through each and every points carefully, which are mentioned on the instructions link webpage of aipmt.nic.in. So we can see the points given on the screen. Please go through each and every points. After that, you can click on the first link to fill your online application form. After clicking on online application form, you will be redirected to this page. So here is the application form. Please note you have to fill each and every details. The first is your personal details, where you have to mention your name, your mother's name, father's name, your date of birth, nationality, state to which you belong, your gender, your category, the place of residence, etc. And the next point is contact details. Here in this point you have to mention your house number, your locality, your state, district, pin code, your contact numbers, your email address. Then comes your parents or guardians detail. In this section, you have to mention the father's qualification, the mother's qualification, their occupation and annual income. And then your academic details. The name of the school or the college where you passed your 10th, the address of that school or college, the qualifying examination you have to mention here, the type of instructions of class 10th, the year of passing and the percentage you obtained in class 10th. The next is qualifying examination. If you have any doubt regarding qualifying examination code, you can just click on the help button to read the instructions. Your school board class 12th, qualifying examination, year of passing, your state of class 12 qualifying examination, the district, the percentage and everything, and also mention the roll number if allotted. Then your details of marks of qualifying examination. You have to mention the maximum marks and the marks obtained of these 4 subjects. After that, you have to fill the state code eligibility. Please note, here it is mentioned that choice of seats cannot be edited further once submitted. So please fill this section very carefully. If you have any query, you can just click on the help button and see the instructions. Then your language of examination, your choice of examination center you can mention. There are 3 choices. And after that you can just type your security pin and then you check your form once and click on next. After clicking on next, you will be redirected to the page of upload photo and signature for application form, where you have to mention the registration number, the candidate's name, your mother's name, your date of birth, the security pin, and then again click on submit. After clicking on submit, you will be redirected to the page of payment of exam fee. This is only for those students who have already submitted their application forms. You have to mention again your registration number, the select mode of payment, your date of birth, and the same security pin which is there on the screen, and then again click on submit. Now after clicking on submit, then you will be redirected to the page of printing of confirmation page. This is the last and final step. This is only for those candidates who have already applied online and paid examination fee. They again have to mention their registration number, the mode of payment, the date of birth and security pin. Here there is a instruction for the candidates that if candidate has made the payment of fee through debit or credit card and due to some unavoidable circumstances, candidate is unable to print the confirmation page, then it is advised to send a request at this email ID aipmt.cbse@nic.in along with complete transaction details. So this is your final and last step and your form is submitted and you can take out the printout of the confirmation page which you will be getting on your screen. You can also click on the link given on the screen to get the exam details. You may also see the video on 7 things you should know about AIPMT 2014. To get the best results in AIPMT exam, you can order CBSE AIPMT Question Bank Test Preparation CDs and previous year's solved question paper book. To order now, please click on the link given on the screen. Thank you.